Grenada Dam. The Great Mississippi River Flood of 1927 affected an area of 27,000 square miles. More than 130,000 homes were lost and 700,000 people were displaced. Congress took action, passing the Flood Control Act of 1936. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers started work on the Grenada Dam in 1947, and the dam became operational in 1954 at a cost of $32 million. At its summertime height, Grenada Lake is the largest body of water in Mississippi with 35,820 surface acres of water.
Ito na yan. Si Habi, pinabasa ko para maganda ang pronunciation. Ayan. Ayan. Diba ang ganda? Ayan. Grenada Lake. Dam. Doon pa yung dam. Ang ganda, diba? Ayan o. Bawal yata pumasok dyan sa... Ayan o. See? Grabe yung mga bato, oh. Ang... Kaya nilagay doon, oh. Danger. Keep back. Oh. Yeah, asawa ko. Kahit sinasabing danger, pumunta pa rin. Ang ganda. Ano talaga to sa fishing? Hobby niya talaga. Layo. Grabe, ang laki na. Ayoko na pumunta doon. Layo. Pero ang ganda sana mag-fishing dyan. Kabundukan ng Mississippi. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Please share and like. Be blessed. Thank you.